Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Amarachi Ukoha and you're here on Talk with Mara. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that and thank you so much. God bless you. The video is all about unboxing the latest OPPO product. Here guys, OPPO just released this particular product and the name is OPPO Reno 7. Yeah, this is my first time of using OPPO. I just got this for myself and I want us to do the unboxing together. So guys, don't skip or pause the video. As you can see, the box is out, the safety guard is here, the charger, the cord, and here comes the phone. Guys, this phone is so fine. I don't know if you're feeling this, but I so much love the phone, the back, the new design. Like the camera is so fine. So guys, I would recommend if you want to change your phone or if you want to switch from iOS to Android, this is the phone for you. Like this phone is so sweet, so fine. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this particular product. I know this phone is so fine. I know you're going to love it. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye. I'll be seeing you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.